Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel, the ultimate cleaning and disinfecting solution for your bathroom. If you're tired of tough stains and unpleasant odors in your toilet, then this is the product you've been looking for. Not only does the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel kill 99.9% of bathroom viruses and bacteria, but it also powers through tough stains and toilet bowl rings in seconds. The thick clinging gel formula coats the entire bowl and rim, ensuring a deep clean and long-lasting freshness with its forest rain scent. With EPA registration number 77770, you can trust that this powerful cleaner is proven to deliver results. Plus, it's from the leaders in disinfection, Lysol. So if you're looking for a sparkling clean and sanitized toilet, I highly recommend giving the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel a try. And the best part? You can easily get your hands on this amazing product by clicking the link in the description below. So why wait? Say goodbye to bathroom germs and stains and hello to a clean and fresh toilet with Lysol. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cleaning tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching.